This project is a playing card holder. It is simple and cheap to make. It makes playing cards easier for everyone. Maybe you would like to make some for senior organizations in your area. It has 2 grooves and is long enough to hold 10 cards in each groove. Arranging your cards is simple and quick using only one hand. Cards can be arranged in one groove or both, your choice. Make some for yourself, but be prepared for friends and family to want some also. As shown here, the holder is 8 1/2 inches long, 1 1/2 inches wide, and 3/4 of an inch thick. In the first prototype, both grooves were cut at the same 1/2 inch depth. When cards were placed in the front groove, the cards in the rear groove could no longer be seen. In the second prototype, the angle of the grooves was changed to 20 degrees and the angle on the bottom was reversed. This resulted in better visibility, but still not ideal. The third prototype was wider than 1.5 inches, and the back groove was only cut 1/4 of an inch deep. The resulting card exposure was more than was needed. In the final prototype, we returned to the 1.5 inch width, but kept the 1/4 inch depth on the rear groove. That 1/4 inch depth allows the rear cards to tilt back slightly more, giving plenty of visibility. You can use any material to create a blank of the size needed. Here I used a common 2x4, cut to 8 1/2 inches long. I then used a bandsaw to cut 3/4 inch pieces. Set a table saw to a 10-degree angle and cut a 1/2 inch deep groove 1/4 of an inch from the front edge. Reposition to cut a second groove 1/4 inch deep and 1/4 inch from the rear edge. Use a 1/8 inch roundover bit to relieve all of the top edges. Sand as needed and apply your favorite finish. Enjoy making and using your playing card holders, and as always, share with friends.